Welcome to MIRE, the AI-driven RFP automation tool. MIRE is a cutting-edge solution developed by SIA Innovations in collaboration with IBM to streamline and enhance the request for proposal process. In this project brief video, we will explore the key features, benefits, and impact of this innovative application. Here's an outline of this video. We'll begin by providing some context, discussing the challenges organizations face when responding to RFPs. Next, we'll introduce you to MIRE and give an overview of its capabilities. After that, we'll take you through our initial product offering. Then, we'll dive into our marketing plan and how we're positioning MIRE in the market. Finally, we'll cover our pricing structure, ensuring that you understand the flexibility and value MIRE offers. In today's rapidly evolving landscape, we're witnessing an accelerating rise in AI-powered automation, transforming the way we work. This shift is driving the journey towards the virtual enterprise, where sustainable business practices are becoming more achievable than ever before, thanks to transformative technologies. MIRE is built on a next-generation platform, leveraging IBM's watsonx and hybrid cloud automation technologies to deliver the future of work today. Customers who want to jump on the bandwagon of AI-powered automation will understand that it is a journey, not a destination. Let's begin by discussing the challenges often encountered in the RFP process. One major issue is time constraints and high workloads. Teams frequently face tight deadlines, leaving limited time to thoroughly review RFP documents, coordinate input from multiple stakeholders, and draft comprehensive responses. This pressure can compromise both efficiency and the quality of submissions. Another significant challenge in the RFP process is complex document management. Teams must handle large volumes of documents, navigate through multiple versions, and ensure accuracy throughout the process. This can quickly become overwhelming, leading to inefficiencies and increased risk of errors. The need for customization and quality assurance adds another layer of complexity. Each RFP requires tailored responses that align with specific requirements, along with rigorous compliance checks. This not only increases the workload but also heightens the risk of errors, making the process even more challenging. Our hypothesis is simple yet powerful. What if we could help you reduce the time it takes to respond to an RFP by 50 to 60%? Introducing MIRE, the multi-industry recommendation engine. MIRE is an agentic AI automation tool designed to help organizations respond to RFPs with both quality and speed. Built on IBM's industry-leading watsonx and business automation platforms, MIRE leverages cutting-edge technology to streamline the RFP response process, making it faster, more efficient, and more accurate. So, what exactly does MIRE do? MIRE leverages agentic AI and workflow automation to orchestrate the efficient distribution of tasks to the right roles within your organization. It employs digital workers to analyze the RFP, match the most suitable products to the specified requirements, answer questions, and recompose the information. Ultimately, MIRE generates a fully formatted response document that meets the RFP's needs. Additionally, MIRE ensures subject matter experts are engaged to review and approve the tasks completed by the digital workers, maintaining quality and accuracy throughout the process. One major benefit of such a solution is increased capacity. By streamlining the process, teams can handle a higher volume of RFPs and respond faster, thereby unlocking more revenue opportunities, without adding to their workload. Another benefit is enhanced proposal quality. By freeing up the valuable time of subject matter experts, teams can focus on crafting customized responses that are more closely aligned with client needs, ultimately increasing the competitiveness and effectiveness of their proposals. Lastly, streamlining the RFP process can lead to stronger team efficiency and improved morale. By minimizing repetitive tasks and reducing stress, teams can work more productively in a positive and collaborative environment, fostering better outcomes overall. Now let's take a look at the MIRE approach. First, MIRE facilitates seamless, real-time collaboration among diverse team members, bringing together their unique expertise to create more cohesive proposals. Next, MIRE enables team members to work concurrently, significantly reducing the time needed for RFP preparation and accelerating the overall process. Third, MIRE streamlines consultation and approval workflows, ensuring that all contributions align with project goals, thereby reducing bottlenecks. Finally, MIRE optimizes every stage of the RFP process, resulting in faster, more accurate, and competitive proposals that improve your chances of success. What if AI agents joined your team? Harnessing the power of AI can drive your workflows with unmatched speed, precision, and adaptability. AI is always on, always improving, it never gets tired, doesn't need vacations, and is available 24/7 to meet your needs. It continuously learns, refining its capabilities with every use, becoming smarter and more efficient over time. With AI integrated into the process, you can achieve unprecedented efficiency gains. The current goal of reducing response times by 50 to 60% could even increase more, unlocking even higher success rates and providing a competitive edge. So, let's dive into the RFP response workflow. This process involves multiple actions, each potentially handled by different people or teams, with each action addressing a specific aspect of the RFP. For example, questions like, what RFP should we focus on, what are the terms and conditions, and which products should be used to build the proposed solution? We'll go into more detail on each of these steps right after this slide, breaking down how each one contributes to a successful and efficient RFP response. Now, let's look at the AI-assisted RFP response workflow. In this version, AI agents are integrated into the process, represented by the small robot icons next to each persona. These AI agents assist with key tasks, improving efficiency and precision at every step. From identifying the right RFP to recommending products or reviewing terms and conditions, AI helps streamline the workflow, allowing teams to focus on higher-level strategic decisions while the AI handles repetitive or data-intensive tasks. Before starting the workflow, MIRE is set up with key company details through its low-code no-code customization. This includes general company information, locations, users, geographies served, marketplaces, as well as key details that will help the AI agent assess the company's eligibility to respond to specific RFPs. Once the setup is complete, we can begin with the first activity in the workflow, retrieving RFPs. In this step, you can review RFPs that were automatically retrieved from different marketplaces. Each RFP is listed with its current status, allowing you to easily identify the ones that require attention. You have the option to select an RFP from the list and begin working on it, or you can upload a new RFP manually, if necessary. Next, we move on to the Verify Eligibility step. Here, the AI agent evaluates whether your company is eligible to respond to the selected RFP, providing a confidence level for its assessment. Eligibility is determined based on your company profile and characteristics, and the AI agent will clearly explain the reasoning behind its recommendation. You can then confirm and continue working on the RFP, or abort and select another RFP if you're ineligible to respond. Next, we move on to the Assign People screen. Here, you can see all the tasks required for the RFP response, along with their current status. The AI automatically assigns tasks to the most suitable expert based on their skills and availability. Additionally, due dates are automatically selected for each task. However, you have the flexibility to adjust the task assignments or edit the deadlines if necessary, ensuring the workflow fits your team's needs. Now, we enter the concurrent workflows phase, where each person or team begins working on their assigned tasks. Here's how the orchestration of the parallel workflows happens. The coordinator reviews the instructions and documents extracted by the AI agent, ensuring that all necessary information is gathered and understood. The legal specialist examines the terms and conditions that the AI agent has detected, ensuring compliance and identifying any potential risks. The technical team reviews the product recommendations made by the AI agent, ensuring that the proposed solution aligns with the client's needs and requirements. The salesperson completes the provisioning form, identifying the products and services to be proposed, along with quantities and prices. Each team works in parallel, ensuring efficiency and accuracy at every step. In the product matching step, the AI agent predicts which products are best suited to build your solution based on the RFP requirements and the selected vendor data source. You can then assist the AI agent by adding or removing products as needed to ensure the proposed solution is perfectly aligned with the client's needs. If you need more information, you can easily visit relevant URLs to learn more about each product and make informed decisions about the product selections. This product matching happens thanks to the AI agent that analyzed the RFP and extracted the technical requirements. The AI agent then matched the requirements against a comprehensive vendor data source, IBM product documentation in this case. Based on its analysis, the AI agent predicts which IBM products are best suited to build the solution. Next, we move on to the question screen. Here, you'll see the requirements and questions that the AI agent extracted from the RFP and automatically answered on your behalf, along with a confidence level for each response. Additionally, the AI agent provides justifications and links for the product choices it made during the product matching phase. You can review and adjust the answers and justifications as needed to ensure they align with your proposed solution. Once you're satisfied, you can confirm the responses to proceed. Back to the concurrent workflows, let's now take a peek at the provisioning section. On this screen, you'll enter the specific product part numbers and services chosen to be part of your solution. The AI agent will automatically calculate the extended values based on quantities and unit prices. Your task here is to enter all of the relevant information, ensuring that all details are accurate before proceeding with the next steps. Later, the AI agent will be trained to help select the specific part numbers, retrieve the unit prices, and recommend the quantities. Next, we reach the review screen. Here, you can look over all the content that has been prepared so far across each activity. The status of each task is displayed, giving you a clear view of progress. You can use this screen to review the work done in each activity, and if you notice any discrepancies or mistakes, you have the option to make corrections before finalizing the response. Finally, it's time for the AI agent to generate the final bid document. You'll have the flexibility to create the bid using a specific template tailored to your needs, or opt for a generic template. This feature will save even more time, ensuring your bids are consistently formatted and ready to submit with minimal effort. For our initial product offering, we're targeting business-to-business solution providers in the IT industry, also known as value-added resellers. Our solution will leverage a single data source from IBM, and we will focus on the North American market, with English as the primary language. Looking ahead, MIRE will expand to additional geographies and additional languages, incorporate data sources from other IT vendors, subject to vendor data source access, and eventually extend its capabilities to serve additional industries. We are currently preparing key collateral to support the product launch. This includes a product flyer and a white paper. The flyer will provide a high-level description of the product, while the white paper will outline the business case for MIRE and offer insights into its value proposition. We are also preparing a Smart Accelerator solution offering. This offering bundles the SaaS subscription, the one-time setup fees, and ongoing managed services into a single, comprehensive package. This approach simplifies the purchasing process for customers while delivering the full value of MIRE's capabilities. Additionally, we are preparing a statement of work and license agreement. This statement of work will outline the one-time setup contract with the client, detailing the scope of work, our approach, deliverables, timeline, and the specific activities to be conducted. It ensures both parties are aligned on expectations and the path forward. We are also preparing a recorded demo of the MIRE application. This demo will provide a comprehensive walkthrough of the product in action, showcasing its features and functionality to give potential customers a clear understanding of how MIRE can streamline and improve their RFP response processes. Let's take a look at the timeline for our initial product offering. Development will continue through April 1, 2025. On that date, we will begin our alpha test, with SIA as client 0. Then, on July 1, we will begin our beta test, with 4 North American IBM business partners participating. Beta clients will benefit from a 6-month no-charge subscription and discounted setup fees in return for their participation in our early access program. Finally, we are planning to release MIRE for general availability on October 1, 2025. Of course, we will continue to fine-tune and enhance the product based on customer feedback on an ongoing basis. Now, let's take a look at our marketing plan and launch timeline. We'll begin with a product preview at IBM Think in early May 2025, where we'll give attendees an exclusive first look at MIRE and begin recruiting beta clients. Our early access program will kick off with the beta launch on July 1, 2025. Once we GA, we'll be actively recruiting clients at IBM Tech Exchange in early October 2025. As we continue to grow, we plan to leverage IBM Think 2026 to begin our expansion into new geographies. Here's where we currently stand with our launch plan. We're in the process of defining the product positioning and unique value proposition for MIRE, while also building our go-to-market strategy. We're developing pre-launch content and collateral to ensure a strong debut and defining the early access, beta, program for selected clients. Additionally, we're working on the overall launch and rollout plan to ensure everything runs smoothly. Looking ahead, there are a few key areas we still need to focus on: identifying key influencers in the industry, creating a comprehensive PR plan, preparing sales and support enablement materials, and defining and tracking KPIs to monitor success. Gathering customer feedback will also be crucial as we refine and improve the product. Let's take a look at MIRE's pricing tiers. We are offering 3 subscription levels: Silver, Gold, and Platinum, each designed to meet different organizational needs. The different tiers scale based on the client's number of locations, number of users, the number of RFPs they typically respond to each month, and the number of pre-configured marketplaces they want to access. We currently support only one vendor data source, IBM. Each plan also comes with a one-time setup fee, which also scales with each pricing tier. We will be offering optional business managed services at 3 levels: Basic, Advanced, and Premium. The different options will give clients flexibility in how we support them, ensuring that MIRE support suits each client's needs. Thank you for taking the time to explore MIRE. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, feel free to reach out to Andy. We're excited to help you transform your RFP response process.